Hi guys, if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. What's up you guys? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me doing this Doja Cat inspired makeup tutorial for her music video Say So. It was very challenging because I just now realizing that I didn't have white. I'm like, I don't know why I have so much makeup palettes, but I do not have the color white in none of them. So I had to go ahead and use a pigment. And along with the pigment, I had to use the P. Louise Rumor Zero, which is a white base, to come up with a concoction to make the white for this makeup look, which is absolutely crazy. How can I not have white in none of my palettes? Like, come on now. Sorry if you guys are hearing the fan. It's just that, as you guys know, where I live is extremely hot. And this wind was not budging today, so I had to put on the fan. To finish off this look, I did go in with my MAC lip gloss, which is the color On the Eve, and then I did go with another lip gloss, which is Maybelline in like a pink shade, because she did have on nude lips with the dramatic eye. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, thank you guys so much. I have finally reached 500 subscribers. Like, I really cannot believe that actually I passed 500. I think I have 503, 502, but I am so thankful, you guys. I really want to express my gratitude to you guys for helping me with my channel. Even though I'm not consistent as I should be, I just want to say thank you, you guys. Thank you so much. And I know there's not no excuse for why I haven't been posting a lot, you guys. I just have been gaming. Like, I have been playing my Sims 2 game, which I re-downloaded. I haven't played the Sims 2 in so long, so I've been just binging on that game. Because I mean, now that I got Sims 2, I'm not gonna lie, I'm realizing that the Sims 4 really sucks. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I hope you guys are being safe, washing your hands, and just don't stress. Do not stress over this quarantine. It will get better. Bye.